Almond learners, I have a breakfast recipe that you're gonna love. I'm making my special banana almond butter toast. There are only 5 ingredients. First step, toast your bread. Once the bread pops up, let it cool. Toast, granola, honey, banana, and almond butter. Let's get started. Spread the almond butter. Cover both slices. It's ready for the bananas. Lay the slices on the bread evenly. Now sprinkle on the granola. That should be enough. Final step is the sweet honey. Just drizzle it on. Not too much. All done. Now slice it. Looks delicious. Let's eat. It tastes so good. Best breakfast ever. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the recipe.